First part of the QAA line, heading for Birdsville. We will stop as soon as we find a spot away from the flies.
Yeah.
Away from the Salt Lake. Watching them. You can see all the flies in the screen.
That's a good spot right there.
Yeah, a little bit closer. We're in the QAA line heading for Birdsville.
Liam said stupid or brave.
If you ask them, it's brave.
What they do, then they'll bite you.
Good colour. Oh, look at his colour, babe.
Red in the head.
Yeah. Wow, he's different. Greener on that one. Wow. Oh.
Someone spent some time getting himself through that track. Either that or it was something decent with 37s on it and they just buried it to the end. Sharp little kick on the top of that one. Straight though. Got a driver switch out. Lewis's first drive in the Simpson desert. Don't mind the squeak of my window regulator on the door. A little bit hard to drive with the windows up at the moment because we blew our aircon yesterday. So she's a windows down job. Liam and Joe up front. First
Just off to the right as you go over a little bit.
First attempt.
What speed lines am I alright?
Beat it a bit. Beautiful. someone's bow shackle pinned back there, but keep going. There's track pressure back there. Someone's 19mm bow shackle pin sitting on the track. Got a 79 and a 200, but is it a chop 200? No. This must be the National Park entrance.
That is too. You thinking of it?
Yep. Just below.
So you're running or turn off?
They've run for a minute. Been running, so. You going to keep driving?
Yep. Is that alright?
Yeah, okay.
Here's Larissa driving up her second sand dune out in the Simpson desert. Here she goes, she's got it. Yay! There's a hole. That is green. Holy moly, so green. Look at it. Wow. Green, 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 green. Air Creek
Yeah, there's been no one
with water. Wow, look at that. Let's go, Joe. Look at it all. Look at that tree. How's it feel?
Beautiful. Good tab. That's a bit clayey in the bottom there.
Take a photo of Martin's boots alone. Dry crossing of Air Creek. I'll look through there. Yep.
We go for a swim?
No, I think we need to get to Birdsville.
Cold shower instead.
Rock solid, straight, but a little bit bumpy. Be a good view from backwards out here if you want to stop.
Yep.
We're just going to stop pretty much right on the peak.
Beautiful view.
know, just completely different, isn't it? You've just gone back to like almost back of beach sand dunes with small vegetation on it.
Yeah, no real big community.
Long way. So far. And then come over there. Wow! We have like these ones, then this one, then I'm making a running emus. Oh, there they go. Let him go across and meet his friend. There he goes. Let him go. Driving through a field of white flowers. Big Red, there she is, heading for you.
It's soft up there, right?
Close.
You'll come straight up that, mate.
Here we are. Top of Big Red. Woo. Back again is so much greener this trip. Especially look at the back. Hang on, we'll get around. Dunes. Blowing a bit of a gale. Back up there. It's like, what? Try not to slip down the edge. Where are my friends? Everyone's getting a celebratory drink out. Ah! Where's the celebratory drink? Martin's getting one. Celebratory drink. Cheers. Oh yeah, better open it for me. Okay.
Cheers.
Celebratory drink. Cheers. Cheers. Woohoo.
One of the icons.
Oops, spilt it. Where we are. Desert Adventure 2012.
And has it been an adventure?
Oh, hang on, let me go around the right way. Sorry. What?
You said 2012.
Did I?
I
Oh.
didn't even notice until we
No, I didn't. I'll replay. Desert Adventure 2024 with the team. Can't even see what I'm doing. Martin, Larissa, Liam, and Joe. Woohoo! That's cool. Yeah, it's worth it. I'm puffing, but look at that line.
Oh wow.
Walking the hubs. That's pretty cool. Not the sand fly out. It makes this clean.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Alright, we're on the blue stuff again. Half an hour out of Birdsville after leaving Big Red. Get your man. Galar's going past again. Land. Yay! Maybe. Yep. Nope. Ah. Dude, you need a bath. Yeah, you do. Well, I think I would outcast him too. This is our camp at Birdsville. Our own little path. Oh, you're right. And then down to the river and all the birds. Beautiful sunset colours. And all the birds are coming in. So in Birdsville, it's like 11 o'clock. Still haven't left. We haven't got. We're going to walk to the bakery, I think. Luckily, this happened in Birdsville.
Martin's out the back looking at coil springs.
Oh really?
Oh really? Oh, we're never leaving Birdsville.
He forced his way.